Oh, guys, my name is the Madman. This is just a breaking news. Oh, very interesting and shocking from Sheila Gashumba dumping Rickman. Before I read the letter, we are powered by Beaver Organic and Natural Healthcare Products. Look for the products at our hospital. And then in Mengo, Resort Marathon coming in August 24th. Tascalite. Buy your ticket on the website. We are shopping with Tessie for all men's pleasures. That is it. This is the letter which Sheila Gashumba just released upon her parting ways with Rickman. Let's read it. Wow. Sheila says, for immediate release, dear friends and supporters, after much reflection and thoughtful consideration, Rickman and I have mutually decided to part ways. While this decision may come as a shock to some of you, we would like to assure you that it was reached with respect and understanding each other's path. Our relationship has been a journey filled with love, laughter, growth, and we are immensely grateful for experience we share together. As I navigate this new chapter of my life, I would like to emphasize that I'm single and not actively and not actively seeking a new relationship at the moment. My focus now is personal growth, career aspiration, and nurturing the friendships and connections that mean so much to me. I appreciate the understanding and support of our fans and followers during this time of transition. We kindly ask for privacy as we navigate this new chapter in our lives. Nasako mkono Shilagashumba. Yeah, that is it. This letter has been posted on Sheila's Twitter and shows how they have parted ways. But there have been signs. Of recent, I saw Frank Gashumba on TV saying they don't know Rickman as an in-law in their family. No one knows him. So, very many rumors have been passing through about these people's relationship. So, their parting ways may not make news to some of us. That is it. If you are there, you can look for Sheila. Yeah, these things are changing. You're chasing someone, you have to come and post officially for no. That is it. My name is the Madman.